Well, it's not so pretty down here today at the shore. It is rainy, it is windy, it is miserable. And I'm gonna make this quick because all I've got on is a hoodie. So I really shouldn't even be out here, but you know us Seaglassers, how tempted we get walking a shoreline when it's stormy. Beautiful little purplish piece. Absolutely beautiful. And another not far from it. I'm going to put away my video, collect some pieces really quickly, and I'll show you along the way. Yuck. What a wet, cold, early morning. Wow, would you look at these beauties I find on the beach. Just absolutely beautiful little pieces. Love that bottle top. Love that aqua and those tiny blues, that milk glass and that gorgeous pottery. Just can't beat that on a rainy day. Well, I've gotten a little further down the line here. I am next to freezing. I'm walking along, finding treasures, and here's what I found so far. This beautiful little piece of pottery, some old stone pottery, some cobalt blues, and that gorgeous bluish gray. So, despite my freezing, I'm very happy I've decided to do this and share this moment with you guys. Brr. Deep brown. I'm just basically looking right at the shoreline here to find pieces. And I'll look quickly in the sand above it on my way back once I'm done doing this video. Some more white. Some tiny cobalt blue. Oh, and I want to give a shout out to my friend from Lebanon who surprised me yesterday with a gift of Seaglass. Before COVID, she had sent me some from Lebanon. And I hadn't talked to her much with what's been going on in the world. But I sure appreciated getting that early Christmas gift. So a big shout out to her. Thank you very much, Farah. It is appreciated. I'm going to put this down, scour the last part of this beach here, and make my way back to my vehicle. Brr. Yes, I'm getting wet, but it's totally worth it when you find a small piece of a swirly orange marble. Just a gorgeous little frosted piece of what used to be a marble here on the shores of Cape Breton Island. Well, I told myself I was crazy at the beginning of this beach walk, and that really hasn't changed. It is very windy, very cold, and very wet. But I've managed to find some more beautiful pieces on my walk, so I am not disappointed at all. Just some absolutely gorgeous frosted pieces. Now, I will make my way back down the beach likely running till I reach my warm, dry vehicle. I want to thank everybody for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll leave you now with the sounds of the ocean. Have a great day, everybody. Stay safe and stay dry.